Nice to see you today.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm up. Yeah, that's the best one I ever saw. Besides Saw.
Bet you didn't see that coming. I had a little accident before. I was practicing.
Yeah, nasty shaving accident. Well, at least you're fully dressed. Did it in a Speedo. I'm gonna. Was this your work?
Yeah, I did this. Yes.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah.
You got so you can see. You know, we're never be able to surprise you again.
Well, it's a nice ventilation. I actually kind of like it. I like the yeah.
You put up some drapes.
Yeah, why did you do that? I thought you were just gonna go straight down.
Yeah, you could have done like a perfect circle. That wouldn't have been any fun. This is.
I got nervous. I was like, I don't really know what I'm doing. Like, I didn't have a game plan for the cutting. And I was like, yeah, this works. See,
I definitely thought it was a K you were doing. I was like,
it kind of looks like. Well, I went in and I was just like, oh man, I hope this works. I hope this continues to work, and it did. Because you never know if there's like a nail or something in here. But it was like, if you hit a nail, you're dead. I'm like, what?
yeah, conscientious, crazed murderer.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope this looks nice.
Nice little trapezoid.
Now, would you like that as a souvenir? Would you like the prisoner to autograph this for you, maybe? There you are. Everyone gets a piece of the door.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
Welcome to the prison. There's definitely something wrong with the door. Yeah.
Karen, we'll get that fixed for you as soon as we get the closet door fixed.
And the dryer. And the washer. What?
We're going to get them all fixed at the same time for you. December 13th, buddy. December 13th, we're going to have
it's trick-or-treaters, and there's a fire alarm for you.
There you go. Mr. Vogel. Oh.
Good morning.